Hello everyone. In today's instructional video, I am going to guide you on the process of posting your project on the Freelancing Post platform. To initiate the process of posting your project, the first step is to navigate to freelancingpost.com. Once you have arrived at the website, you will need to log into your employee account on the designated side. After successfully logging in, you can proceed by simply going over it. You will find a section of the dashboard. You need to click on it. After clicking, what will happen is that you will come to the client's or the employee's dashboard. Once you are there, the first thing you need to do is go to the package section. So I will simply click on the package. After clicking, an error will appear in front of you which says your package has expired, meaning your package. The package has expired. When you come for the first time, it might show you this error. If you take a package once, it won't show this. But here we will take the free package. To take the free package, simply scroll down to the Add New Package section. You need to click on it. After clicking, you will observe the pricing details of the employee package. So we will essentially utilize the complimentary one. Let us first examine what is encompassed in the free plan. You are allowed to post up to 15 projects within a month at no cost, and you have the option to feature one of those 15 projects prominently at the top. Furthermore, you can communicate with freelancers, and you also receive excellent support with this free plan. Therefore, we shall proceed with this particular package. So I will simply click on the option that says Get Started below. Upon clicking, you will need to select the option that says Get Free Listing Package. Subsequent to that, your package has been successfully acquired. Now we shall proceed to the project listing section, and in order to list a project, you will be required to click. I simply click on the Projects tab. Upon clicking, at present there are absolutely no projects visible in my account. If there were any, they would be displayed in a sequential list, one beneath the other. So, how might I proceed to list it? Now, you will discover an option located on the side. Simply click on Create New Project. Upon clicking, it will prompt you for certain details, such as basic information. In the basic information, what happens is that you enter the title of your project. So, I have written the title in a notepad, and I will simply paste it here. I am in need of an editor for the editing of my blog video, so I will just paste its title here following that. Category, I will assign it to which category it belongs to. So basically, it is related to video editing. So here I have added the video and I am checking if it matches my category or not. So I have added something like that. Alright, whatever skills you need, you can add them here from the freelancer, then you can add them. Career level means what is the experience of your freelancer. So I am taking it here. I want to get experience at the junior level, so I simply select junior. So according to your project, you can choose what you find appropriate. Then you can add the language here, meaning what language your freelancer should have. So simply, I have put English. If you want multiple languages, like along with English, I have added Hindi here. That's fine, you can add like that. Then you need to add your project description, etc. Like what type of video you create, any reference for the video, all that you can add here. So essentially, I have already composed the description on the notepad. So what I will do is just copy it and then paste it. So I have copied it. Now I have pasted it. Essentially, I have written here that I require a block reel editor, and the block reel will have a duration of approximately 30 to 60 seconds. So make an effort to write in detail about your project so that the freelancer can comprehend things more effectively. Also, I've added a reference video. This shows what type of video your work will resemble. So simply, if you want to write it here and link it, just select it. Click on the link and then apply it on the arrow here. And now see, it will turn blue. It will turn blue. This means it has become clickable, and I have mentioned that I am going to pay 10 by this reel editing. So if you want something more and of higher quality, you can give a reference and write a bit about the budget for your project. Then you can also mention which software you want the editing to be done in. You can include any software you need for your project. Also mention by when you need the delivery, etc. I've mentioned everything in a bit of detail, so it's very important to write your project in detail here. Alright, so I've put the description here. Now, I'm searching for skills, like I'm searching for video editing. Alright, because I want my freelancer to know what all should be known, so I've added here YouTube, video editing, and if there's more, I add that too. Like the name of the video editing software is also added. So if you want the work to be done in that specific software, you can mention its name. Then comes the location. So I simply add the location. Alright, I've added the location. If we find a freelancer in this location, that's great. Otherwise, what can we do in other locations? Freelancers can apply to this post, right? Then we'll go further down and see what's there. You will be required to upload the cover image. What exactly is a cover image? Essentially, when I navigate to projects and a freelancer searches for your specific project, this particular image that appears is known as the project image. You will need to upload this image, and the specified ratio among other details is also mentioned here, so you can upload it in this specified ratio. Simply I will click here and my folder. The location means wherever my file is. Simply what I'll do is upload it here, so it's uploaded now. I'll add it now. What is a gallery image? If I go into any project, I simply click on it. Now you can see below that there are many images. If you want to add more images, you can do so. I have only one image, so I'll add it here. Your images should be a maximum of 10 MB. If it's above that, then if it doesn't upload, you can add up to 6 maximum images here, but I've just added one. Then comes your video introduction, meaning if you have an introduction video, you can add that too. And if you don't want to add it, that's fine as well. Alright, so your video should be like where you are saying that you are a blogger. You need a video like that. If you have such a video, then if you have uploaded it, you can provide the link here. According to me, this is my video. I will copy its link and put it here. So according to your project, if you want to upload a video, you can do so here. If not, you can continue without it. Now comes the budget. What is your budget? Do you want to give it at a fixed price or not include the voice? I want to give it at a fixed price. My minimum budget is 5 and I can go up to 15 for a reel. So I have set the range from 5 to 15, and by when do I require it? By the 1st of April. So I will set it as 1 and 1 day, meaning per day. I need this video editing completed in 1 day. Then comes the FAQ section, where you can incorporate questions and answers that might be potential doubts for the freelancer. I have composed a substantial amount according to my perspective, so I shall incorporate that. I'll put it in quickly. If you wish to incorporate any additional questions, you may click on Add More and proceed to include further questions at this location. I have these 5 questions. If you want to add more, you can, or if you want to skip this part because you don't have any questions, you can do that as well and continue. After that, there's additional information like about thermal. You can write about yourself, who you are, what you do. Like I have written here that my name is this, I have around 1000 subscribers and I do blogging in the English language. You can add that here if you create videos, or if you don't want to add it, you don't have to. Alright, after adding everything, please check all the details once. Yes, check all the steps once. After checking, you will click on Post Project. Once you click, your project will be posted. After posting, if any issue arises, meaning if you have added something by mistake, you can click on the 3 dots here and then you can edit it. And if you want to rank it higher, there is a feature for that. After booking, you'll see a king-like icon that will feature your project at the top. If I go to the freelancing post section under projects, my project appears at the top. If any freelancer applies, they will click on send proposal to submit their proposal. After sending, currently you have 0 proposals, meaning no one has applied yet. If no one has applied yet, once someone does, a number will appear here. You need to do the project listing in the same way. If you have any doubts, you can comment below the video. I will bring it up later. In the next video, I will show you how to hire a freelancer directly through messages, or how to create a company profile, or how to do identity verification. I will explain all these things in the upcoming video.